Good morning, Letterlanders. Mrs. Knippenberg back today. Remember, last time we met, we worked on the S blends. Well, today we're going to learn a new kind of blend, and it has a special character from Letterland in them. It's Lucy Lamplight. Today, your objective is that you can find and read words with the L blends. So let's get started, and we're going to get to watch another special video today. So what are the L blends? Well, you guessed it, the L blends, remember, all have a ol in them. But like the S blends, the S came at the beginning of the two consonants. The L blend, the L comes second. So it has a consonant and then it's followed by the L. So we have the first one over here. I brought some of our Letterlanders out to show you. The BL is Bouncy Ben and Lucy Lamplight. And we say B first and then the O. So it sounds like this. Bull, bull. The next one is Clever Cat and Lucy Lamplight. And together they sound like this. Cull, cull. Next we have Firefighter Fred and Lucy Lamplight, and together they sound like this. Full, full. Golden Girl and Lucy Lamplight together sound like this. Gull, gull. Peter Puppy and Lucy Lamplight together sound like this. Pull, pull. And finally, Sammy Snake and Lucy Lamplight together sound like this. Soul, soul. But to help you better understand the L blends, I thought we could watch another song today. And this one is by someone I think you all know. It's Jack Hartman, and he's going to sing about the blends. So let's listen together.
1, 2, 3, go! Faster, faster!
Oh, and that silly commercial. Mrs. K always has to wait for the commercial to go by. There we go.
Jack Hartman, Kids Music Channel.
What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together. What is a blend? A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like B says B, L says ooh. Blend them together and you get bull. Like in black, blue, bloom, blink. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like C says K, L says ooh. Blend them together and you get cool. Like in clap, class, climb, clean. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like G says G, L says ooh. Blend them together and you get cool. Like in glad, glass, glide, globe. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like S says S, L says ooh. Blend them together and you get soul. Like in sleep, slice, slug, slow. What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together. What is a blend?
I hope you enjoyed that video by Jack Hartman. He was kind of fun moving around, and if you want to play this video again, you can practice that song as many times as you want. Well, I heard a lot of our blends in Jack Hartman's song, and so today our activity that we're going to play together is another poem. And you've been learning about poetry from Mrs. Rose, and so I thought I would bring a poem too. So today we're going to play another game with our poem, and I'm just going to make sure that I get our screen ready so you can see everything. There we go. All right, so we have our blends over here, our L blends, and I'm going to read the poem called Fluffy Clouds. Ooh, I think I even heard some L blends in the title. And we're going to be circling, well, I'm going to be circling, but you can help me and look for them. I want you to look for a consonant with an L next to it that makes an L blend. So let's start with the title, Fluffy Clouds. Did you hear two L blends in the title? I know I did. I heard the full, the FL, and the cl, the CL. All right, I'm going to read the next line. I want you to listen very carefully because I know that there are some L blends. Claire was looking at the bright blue sky when she saw some fluffy clouds pass by. How many L blends can you count in that first part of the poem? Let's go back and look. Let's look at the first word, Claire. I see a CL. Was looking at the bright blue BL sky when she saw some fluffy full FL clouds pass by. Clouds. There we go. Pass by. Wow, she blurted. Blurted. Did you see that? I did, I replied. Look it, there's a blend that comes in the middle of the word, a PL. So readers, sometimes you have to look in the middle of words. Sometimes the blends don't always come at the beginning. Let's read a little bit more and then I'm going to stop. It was a hat. We spent the day gazing away at all the things that came our way. A glass, ooh, I see a glass filled with lemonade, a clown, CL, laughing in a parade. All right, I'll quickly go to the end. Kids riding on a sled, sled, flags waving, full. So the pledge we said, pull. Wow, look at all of the L blends I found in our poem today. That was a lot. All right, we're going to go back now to this part and we're going to tell you about what you are going to do today. So now it's your turn, Letterlanders. In your notebook, it's kind of like the last time with the S blends. I want you to copy this time the L blends into a notebook or on a piece of paper. I want you to go find again some books or a magazine or a newspaper or something with lots of words. And it's okay if you can't read all the words. You're looking for words that have the L blends in them. Now, see how many L blend words you can find in your books and write them next to the correct blend. So if I found the word play, I could write P-L-A-Y next to the P-L. Then try to read your list of words. And remember, if you find some really big words that are tricky to read, that's okay. You could have mom or dad or a brother or sister help you sound those out. The most important thing is I want you to find them in some print. If you need a challenge, you could pick a few words from your list and write a sentence using the word. Like I mentioned the word play for PL. I could say, I like to play with my daughter Eleanor. That could be a sentence. Or some of you love to make books. You love to get a whole bunch of pieces of paper and staple them together or tape them together. You could make a book of L blend words. Like one page could say play, and you could draw a picture of someone playing. You could open the book. Maybe the next one could have an FL word like flag, and you could draw a picture of a flag. And then you could turn your page and do another L blend word. Maybe you could make 5 pages with the 5 different L blends. You be creative and see what you can do. So today, have fun and go be word readers with our L blends. See you next time.